How about a 1950s Pontiac Safari two-door station wagon? This right here is one of my favorite cars in the whole yard. I think it's a 56 Pontiac Safari station wagon two-door. It is the Pontiac equivalent of the Chevy Nomad. It's far rarer than the Nomad though. And unfortunately, this one is in very, very poor shape. But it's got an engine. It's all there. Well, not all there. There's missing glass and it's completely rotted out, but it's just so cool. This is one of my favorite cars here. I don't know. We'll see. The original Pontiac hood emblem is still on the car, as is all the stainless. With this 1955, 56, 57 Pontiac Safari two-door station wagon.
I did go into the records, and there was approximately 4,000 of these cars built in 1956. So they made a fair share of them, but how many of them do you see on the road? This is definitely a good project and would be worth saving here in the future for someone.
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video on the Pontiac Safari Wagon. I know it was a short one and didn't get a lot of detail because I was running out of time. But I will be having a new video of it hopefully in the next month or two, because I talked to the owners and the car is going to be for sale, or is for sale, as of June 2022. They're going to actually dig it out. They're going to cut down the trees and pull the cars around, and they're actually going to pull it out, and we're going to see what kind of shape it's in. I hope I'm there for that as well. If not, I'll just have an update in social media. But don't forget, I post every Monday, so come on back. I'm going to have a few more videos in this series. And I think there's going to be one or two in between Power Tour videos. So keep watching, and I'll talk to you all soon.